Hi, good day. I'm Itzatech, your tech tips buddy. If you encounter a Telnet error saying it's not recognized as an internal or external command, it simply means the Telnet feature is not enabled on your Windows system. Here's how to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Click the Start menu and search for Control Panel. This is where you can access various system settings. Step 2. Click on Programs. Once you're in the Control Panel, find and click on the Programs category. This section lets you manage software and features on your PC. Step 3. Go to Turn Windows Features On or Off under Programs and Features. Click the link that says Turn Windows Features On or Off. This opens a list of optional Windows features you can enable or disable. Step 4. Enable Telnet Client scroll down until you find Telnet Client, then check the box next to it. This will allow your system to use the Telnet command. Step 5. Click OK. After checking the Telnet Client box, click OK. Windows will take a few seconds to install and activate the feature. Step 6. Verify in Command Prompt. Once installation is complete, open Command Prompt and type Telnet. If everything was done correctly, you'll see the Telnet prompt instead of an error. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Telnet on your Windows PC. Thanks for tuning in. This is Itzatech, your tech tips buddy. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more helpful guides.